Discover top 6 vitamins to improve your vision naturally. Are you among the millions of people worldwide who struggle with vision impairment, leading to squinting or straining to see things clearly? While glasses and contacts are common solutions, did you know that certain vitamins and nutrients can also help maintain good vision and eye health? In this video, we will cover the top 6 vitamins that can benefit your eyes, and provide tips on how to incorporate these essential vitamins into your diet, including foods such as carrots and leafy greens. Keep in mind that there are various factors that can contribute to weakened vision. Here are some of the most common causes. 1. Age-related changes. As we grow older, the flexibility of the lenses in our eyes decreases, causing difficulty in focusing on nearby objects. This age-related condition is referred to as presbyopia, and it is a natural occurrence in the aging process. 2. Refractive errors. Refractive errors happen when the shape of the eye interferes with the proper focusing of light on the retina, leading to blurry vision. Myopia, nearsightedness, hyperopia, farsightedness, astigmatism, are the most prevalent types of refractive errors. 3. Eye diseases. Vision loss can be caused by various diseases, including cataracts, glaucoma, and macular degeneration. These conditions can impact the clarity and sharpness of your vision, and if they are not addressed, they may result in permanent vision loss. 4. Eye injuries. Injury or trauma to the eye can harm the internal structures of the eye, potentially causing vision loss or other vision-related issues. 5. Systemic health issues. Health conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and multiple sclerosis can impact the nerves and blood vessels in the eye, resulting in vision problems. Stay tuned to discover the top 6 vitamins that can improve your vision. However, please remember that this video is for educational purposes only. If you have any medical concerns, please consult your doctor. 1. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining good vision and eye health, and it is an essential nutrient found in many foods and supplements. The fat-soluble vitamin plays a vital role in the proper functioning of the retina, the part of the eye responsible for vision, by enabling the rods to detect light in low-light conditions. Vitamin A is also essential for the health of the cornea, which acts as a barrier to protect the eye and helps to focus light onto the retina. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to a condition called xerophthalmia, which can cause damage to the cornea and, in severe cases, blindness. Some of the best sources of vitamin A include liver, oily fish, eggs, dairy products, orange and yellow fruits and vegetables, and leafy green vegetables. Consuming vitamin A-rich foods not only improves vision and eye health but also has other health benefits such as maintaining healthy skin, supporting the immune system, and promoting healthy growth and development. However, it is essential to consume vitamin A within recommended levels as too much can be toxic. The recommended daily intake of vitamin A for adults is 700 to 900 micrograms per day for men and 600 to 700 micrograms per day for women. It is important to eat a varied diet that includes vitamin A-rich foods and to speak with a doctor before taking any supplements. 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a vital water-soluble nutrient that is essential for maintaining good health. While it is well known for its immune-boosting properties and ability to fight off colds and infections, it also plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy eyesight. Ascorbic acid, also known as vitamin C, is a potent antioxidant that protects the body from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to aging and disease. It is involved in the production of collagen, which is essential for healthy skin, bones, and connective tissue, and it also aids in the absorption of iron, another vital nutrient for overall health. There are several ways that vitamin C benefits health, including its role in maintaining healthy eyesight. It helps protect cells in the eye from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a common eye disease that can cause vision loss. Vitamin C is also necessary for the production of collagen, which helps maintain the shape of the cornea and is necessary for clear vision. It is involved in the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit messages between nerve cells in the body, including those that control the eye's muscles. Proper neurotransmitter function is essential for clear vision and eye health, and studies have suggested that vitamin C may help reduce the risk of developing cataracts and slow the progression of AMD. While the recommended daily intake of vitamin C for adults is between 65 and 90 mg per day, experts often recommend higher amounts. Vitamin C can be obtained through diet or supplements, and some of the best sources of this nutrient include citrus fruits, berries, kiwi, red and green peppers, broccoli, and tomatoes. Vitamin C supplements are widely available, but it is always best to obtain nutrients from whole foods whenever possible. 3. Vitamin E. To maintain good health, vitamin E is a crucial antioxidant that can be found in many foods as it is a fat-soluble vitamin. It performs a variety of functions such as supporting healthy skin, hair, nails, boosting the immune system, and promoting good vision. Vitamin E consists of 8 different compounds for tocopherols and 4 tocotrienols, and alpha-tocopherol is its most active form. Various foods such as nuts, seeds, vegetables, and fruits are excellent sources of vitamin E, with almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, sweet potatoes, avocado, butternut squash, broccoli, kiwi fruit, and papaya being the best sources. Vitamin E plays a critical role in maintaining good vision by protecting against age-related macular degeneration, reducing the risk of cataracts, preventing dry eye syndrome, promoting healthy blood vessels in the eye, and enhancing visual acuity. The recommended daily intake of vitamin E for adults is 15 mg per day, but experts recommend higher doses for optimal health. People at high risk of developing eye diseases are recommended by the American Optometric Association to take 400 to 800 IU of vitamin E per day. While vitamin E supplements are available, it's always best to obtain nutrients from whole foods whenever possible. 4. Vitamin B2. Vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin, is a crucial nutrient that is necessary for maintaining good health. One of the most notable benefits of vitamin B2 is its ability to enhance vision and promote eye health. Vitamin B2 is a water-soluble vitamin that is vital for the proper functioning of several enzymes in the body. It plays a role in the metabolism of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates and is needed for the production of energy. Additionally, vitamin B2 is necessary for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails and plays a critical role in the production of red blood cells. It is found naturally in various foods, including milk, eggs, meat, fish, and green leafy vegetables. Vitamin B2 is also available in supplement form and is frequently included in multivitamin supplements. Vitamin B2 improves vision and eye health in several ways. Firstly, it protects the cornea, the transparent outer layer of the eye, from damage caused by environmental factors like UV radiation and pollution. Secondly, it helps prevent cataracts by shielding the lens from oxidative damage. Thirdly, vitamin B2 promotes good night vision by supporting the production of rhodopsin, a protein that is essential for vision in low light conditions. Fourthly, it reduces eye fatigue by supporting the production of ATP, which is crucial for energy production in the body. Lastly, vitamin B2 alleviates dry eye syndrome by promoting the production of tears and reducing inflammation in the eye. The recommended daily intake of vitamin B2 varies depending on several factors such as age, gender, and health status. The daily intake of vitamin B2 recommended for children aged 9 to 13 years is 0.9 mg per day. For males aged 14 years and older, the recommended daily intake is 1.3 mg per day, and for females aged 14 years and older, it is 1.1 mg per day. Pregnant females are recommended to consume 1.4 mg of vitamin B2 per day. 5. Vitamin D. Vitamin D, commonly known as the sunshine vitamin, is an essential nutrient that is vital for maintaining overall health and well-being. It plays a critical role in bone health, immune function, and regulating calcium levels in the body. Recent studies have also shown that vitamin D can improve vision and eye health. One of the benefits of vitamin D for eye health is its potential for protecting against age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision loss among older adults. Studies have found that people with low levels of vitamin D are more likely to develop AMD than those with higher levels, and those with the highest levels have a 60% lower risk of developing AMD than those with the lowest levels. Vitamin D may also help reduce the risk of cataracts and improve glaucoma management by reducing the risk of optic nerve damage. Furthermore, vitamin D may reduce inflammation in the eye and improve eye health by regulating the immune system. To increase your intake of vitamin D, spending time in the sun is the best way as the skin can produce vitamin D. However, many factors can affect the body's ability to produce vitamin D, such as the time of day, season, latitude, and skin color. In cases where vitamin D cannot be obtained from sunlight, supplements and dietary sources such as fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods like milk, cereal, and orange juice can help. The recommended daily intake of vitamin D for adults is 600 to 800 IU per day. 6. Vitamin B6. Pyridoxine, commonly known as vitamin B6, is a vital nutrient necessary for numerous bodily functions. Its essential role includes aiding in the production of neurotransmitters, DNA, and red blood cells, as well as supporting the immune system and maintaining healthy skin and hair. One of the significant benefits of vitamin B6 is its ability to improve vision and eye health. Vitamin B6 is one of the 8 B vitamins and is water-soluble, meaning it dissolves in water and is not stored in the body. Therefore, it is crucial to regularly consume vitamin B6 through your diet or supplements. Vitamin B6 is necessary for several functions in the body, including metabolism, brain function, the immune system, red blood cell formation, skin health, and eye health. In terms of eye health, vitamin B6 has several benefits. It helps protect against age-related eye conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration, which can lead to gradual central vision loss, making it difficult to read, drive, or recognize faces. Additionally, vitamin B6 is essential for tear production, preventing dry eyes. It can also reduce inflammation, which is linked to eye conditions such as uveitis and retinitis. Furthermore, vitamin B6 protects against retinal damage caused by oxidative stress, which can lead to vision loss. Lastly, vitamin B6 regulates homocysteine levels, which, if high, are linked to an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. The recommended daily intake of vitamin B6 for adults is 1.3 to 1.7 milligrams per day, and good dietary sources of this vitamin include chicken, turkey breast, tuna, salmon, bananas, potatoes, sweet potatoes, spinach, pistachio nuts, and fortified cereals. While it is possible to get enough vitamin B6 from your diet, some people may benefit from taking supplements. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.